Well, let's get in more of a technical check on the markets. We have Ashwani Gujral joining in to tell us what he's strategizing for the end of the week. Ashwani, over to you. It seems as though the mid-caps definitely have a little more fervor today as compared to the Nifty and the Sensex. So what is your reading and what would your call be in terms of stocks as well?
See, basically on the Nifty, we haven't really touched yesterday's low. So that way Nifty is the stronger index. Bank Nifty also, we just came within kissing distance of yesterday's low and again have turned around. When you see this sort of action where bears are not able to push advantage, my sense is that the market is stronger than people think. And right now, Bank Nifty both are buys, and I would think that you will see short covering later on in this session. So this is a good risk reward point for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Having said that, HDFC Bank is a buy with a stop of 2280, target of 2340. Infosys is a buy with a stop of 750. Target of 785, and Kotak is a buy with a stop of 1320, target of 1365.
What about a couple of these banks individually? How would you approach them? Say, for example, SBI, ICICI Bank, and maybe an IndusInd which is gaining.
See, IndusInd and all of these other private banks out there, the rally possibly has resumed. PSU banks a bit weak today, but I would use this weakness to buy because even the PSU banks are rallying, and chances are as the market recovers, even here there will be strong recovery.
Okay, well, we have a Twitter query for you, Ashwani. Manthan holds 100 shares of Ajanta Pharma, which is bought at 1200. He wants to know the medium to long-term view on this particular stock.
Pharma still is not inspiring confidence. Yeah, it may have bottomed out, some good news here or there, but overall still Ajanta Pharma is below its 200-day moving average, and basically pharma is not attracting buying. So if he wants to be in the money immediately, then NBFCs and banks and financials is the way to go. Pharma, I don't think is really inspiring confidence.
Okay, not even Cipla, which is gaining around 3% today?
See, basically stocks move in trends and they move in groups. If the group isn't moving, then Cipla sooner or later will get tripped up.
Okay. All right, Ashwani, we're going to let you go on that note. Thanks very much for joining in. Speak to you again in an hour with more technical calls.